As you can see, I've been making videos all day, but it's okay because you are worth it. This video is about Padlet.com. Once again, not mandatory at all. It's just if you want to spice things up a little bit in your online courses, or maybe have a class discussion inside of the module instead of them having to click the discussion board link. This is an option. So you would create a free account on Padlet.com. I think they do have a limit to how many Padlets you can create, but I think it's like 20. So it's fine. I just kind of use the same ones every semester. I remember my login. Okay, so essentially it's very easy to create a Padlet wall, is essentially what it's called. It's very easy to create one while I'm waiting for it to log in. This is what it would look like in Blackboard. So this is coming from the Module 2 folder. You'll see that I had an activity where I had them choose a short story from the list below, and then they had to participate in a discussion. I didn't really make it a discussion, I just kind of had them post. But when I do my future courses, I will have them like comment and respond on each other's posts and stuff like that. But as you can see, they identified which one they read, they kind of summarized it, they identified, certain things about the culture that they learned. Oh, and that's another thing. I made sure that they chose a story about a culture that was not theirs. I wanted them to choose a different culture from the one that they were familiar with. So, you can use the Padlet wall in so many ways. I also use it in Module 1 with the icebreaker, where I had people create s'more.com newsletters, and then they put their newsletters here. So anything that, let me show you what happens. When you double click on the wall, you can put your title. I normally have students put their name or their initials or whatever. And they can type text here, but they also can upload a file. They can put a link to a video. They can add pictures. They can add a lot of different things. So just be creative and think about, well, how can I do this? For example, when we do the GMO unit, the genetically modified food unit, one of the assignments says go to your kitchen and take a picture of something that you think is a GMO and upload it to the Padlet wall. So obviously they would click they probably would click the file button and then upload the picture. But, this is a great way of adding kind of a fun flair to your Blackboard site. All right, so this is what they look like. And the one I was just looking at is this one right here, Culture and Tradition. So when you go to create the Padlet, obviously you would put a title. I normally put a brief 2 or 3 sentences with directions. Even though I already put directions on Blackboard, I put directions again. And then the magic comes in where you modify. So there's the title, there is the directions, and then you can choose the background. You can choose the wallpaper. I tend to choose the colorful, cute, fancy ones. Ooh, they have a moving windmill. I didn't know that. Or you can create your own background if you want to be that detailed. Everything else on here, display author's name. No, I just make them type that in. Comment. So I do check it so that it allows them to comment on each other's posts. And I do make it so that they can react to each other's posts. I don't like the thumbs up or thumbs down because I don't want anybody to get their feelings hurt. Even the stars, I don't really like it. But I do make it so that they can like each other's posts, just like kind of social media. I don't make it required for approval, and I don't filter profanity because we're all grown. If that's how they're feeling, that's how they're feeling. As long as they're not, being racist or anything. And then when you're ready to share it on Blackboard, you know me, I always embed it, but I also put the link as well. So you would just click share. And when you're ready to embed it, you're going to click embed in your blog or website, and you're going to copy this. Then you're going to go over to Blackboard, and I'm just going to create a new one from scratch so you can see. You click over, build content, click item. Okay, so let's say you were adding this item. You would click the Hotmail button, HTML on the right. And this is where you would Control V, paste the embed code. You'll know you did it right when you see there's a yellow box, okay? Then what I do is I put a space either before or after. I'll try after. Okay, I'm having trouble, but okay, let's try this again. Okay. All right, so let's try this again. So I just remembered what I do because I don't want that situation is I put the link here. So let me go get the link. So copy link to clipboard. So I'm going to press Control V. And we already know when you add links to Blackboard, you have to remember that you need to hyperlink it. So you're going to highlight it and you're going to click the hyperlink button. And then you are going to paste it, Control V to paste. And don't forget to change this so that it says open in new window, insert. All right, so now it is successfully hyperlinked. And then I'll go back and get the embed code. So copy that. And then this is when I do the Hotmail. So as you can see, it already has the Hotmail code for the link that I put. I want to put this above that. So I'm just going to paste the embed code right there. And now you will see, boom, there's the link. And I might put instructions here, like if you cannot view the Padlet above, click this link or something like that. And then you would press submit. Let me just put a fake title. Press submit. And then this is what it would look like when you're done. Right here, we just did it. Okay, so that is how you can use Padlet and embed it into your Blackboard site so that you can do more fun, colorful, and interactive activities just to add that extra flair of excitement to your course.